Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to save call log number to your contact on Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, let's get started. First of all, we can open our phone application on our Android phone, and after we have our phone application opened, we can go to the recent category or recent option right here. Just click on it, and this is my call history, and I'm going to save this call log number. For example, I'm going to save this phone number to my contact. So we just need to click on this phone number, then we're gonna click on add to contact. Okay, and here we can either select create new contact or update existing contact, and I'm just going to create new contact, so I'm gonna click on create new contact, and we can name the contact right here. I'm going to name it like this, then we can click on save. Okay, and now the contact or the save call log number has been saved to my contact, this one. This is the call log number that I have just saved to my contact. Alright guys, and that's how we can save call log number to our contact on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.